Imagine a technology that can write poetry, generate artwork, or even simulate human voices, all within seconds. This is the world of generative AI, and it's transforming society as dramatically as electricity or the internet once did. Just like how the steam engine or electricity redefined entire industries, generative AI is now poised to redefine creativity, productivity, and knowledge work across every sector. Generative AI works by learning from vast amounts of data, using deep learning to create entirely new content. It doesn't just recognize patterns, it generates new text, images, and sounds based on what it has learned. This technology is not simply mimicking past content. It identifies the underlying structure and meaning behind data to generate new forms that are contextually coherent and often surprising. The core technology behind generative AI includes neural networks and a technique called deep learning, which mimics the way the human brain processes information through layers of artificial neurons. Each layer in a deep learning model extracts increasingly complex features, enabling the model to represent abstract concepts like grammar, style, or artistic composition. One powerful application of this technology is large language models like ChatGPT, which can predict and generate coherent text by solving millions of fill-in-the-blank problems with statistical accuracy. These models are trained on diverse and massive data sets, enabling them to answer questions, summarize documents, write code, and even mimic specific writing styles. For images and video, diffusion models are used. These models start with noisy images and gradually clean them to match the desired prompt, creating stunning visuals from scratch. By learning the reverse process of adding noise, the model is able to iteratively refine randomness into meaningful images based on input prompts, like a dragon flying over Tokyo at sunset. Contrary to early beliefs, white-collar jobs such as engineers, designers, and researchers are more vulnerable to automation by AI than blue-collar jobs that require physical interaction and flexibility. This shift reflects a paradox known as Moravec's paradox. Tasks we find intellectually demanding are easier for AI, while routine physical tasks we take for granted remain extremely difficult to automate. Whether generative AI complements or replaces human labor depends on how it's used. Complementary AI boosts productivity, while replacement AI can lead to job loss without adequate reskilling and support systems. The key distinction is whether AI tools are designed to assist human workers or to fully automate their roles, an ethical and strategic choice facing governments and companies alike. According to a McKinsey report, generative AI could add up to 670 trillion yen in economic value. However, long-term impacts on employment remain uncertain and depend on broader socioeconomic factors. Some studies suggest that generative AI can help close skill gaps, enabling lower-skilled workers to perform at higher levels by providing intelligent assistance and guidance in real time. Ethical debates around unauthorized learning, known as scraping, are intensifying, especially among creators. In Japan, current copyright laws allow data mining for analysis, but this may change. Artists and writers have raised concerns about having their work used without consent. As awareness grows, pressure is mounting for clear guidelines and opt-out mechanisms. Still, responsible development matters. Some companies now provide options to opt out of training datasets and emphasize transparency and revenue sharing with creators. Developers who respond to public concerns, like OpenAI allowing website owners to block crawlers, can build trust and distinguish themselves in a competitive landscape. Generative AI won't just automate tasks, it will empower new creators. Imagine someone with no programming background building a hit app or game thanks to these tools. By lowering technical barriers, generative AI can democratize access to fields like software development, animation, and design, enabling more diverse voices to participate. As author Shota Imai explains in生成AI de世界はこう変わる, this technology can democratize creativity and innovation, but we must guide it wisely, with ethics and inclusivity in mind. The future of generative AI is uncertain, but exciting. What we do today, how we regulate, adopt, and educate, will shape how it transforms our world tomorrow.